Hey, what's up you guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you how I DIY'd some assless chaps. I feel like these have been super trendy for festival season this year, so I thought it'd be fun to do a little DIY version. So what I did is basically took a pair of jeans and cut the crotch out and made some assless chaps out of it. So I'm going to show you how I did that today, so if you want to see how I did that, just keep watching. Alright, so these are the jeans that I picked, and I wanted something that was high-waisted and kind of cinched at the waist. And I really like this straight leg look. I feel like that would look the best in terms of chaps, so something that wasn't too flary at the bottom. And I do like the wide leg look. I feel like if it's not super form-fitting, I think that would look the best. And I chose these two because I like the dark denim, the one solid color. So I feel like this was kind of the look I was going for, and those were the things I was looking out for when I was picking the jeans. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is mark where we want to cut. So I'm going to keep the belt part as the waistband and then cut all this off. So I'm going to cut past the crotch. And I'm going to start around here and just kind of mark where I want to cut. So I'm going to cut just past this little pocket and kind of match it up. Alright, now we're going to start cutting. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the front part cut out. So we left the waistband at the top and just cut out everything else, but still left a little bit on the side to kind of hold everything together. So now I'm going to turn it around and we're going to cut off the back side. Alright, so this is the back side of the jeans, and I can see where I cut the front part, so I can kind of follow the same line up. And I don't want these pockets to show, so I'm going to just cut right past the pocket here and leave this part as like the side piece for the chaps, and then again just keep the waistband at the top. So I'm just going to mark where I want to cut and then cut it off. So now the back is done. I'm going to try them on and see how they look. This is what they look like on. So there's the little belt part and then the side. And I styled this with a bodysuit. This is actually attached to the shirt. It's a whole piece, and it's from Urban Outfitters. So I would style chaps with like a little bodysuit, something like this. Or you can even wear shorts if you want to cut these leg holes a little lower and then wear shorts underneath. I've seen people do that too, and that looks kind of cute. And I just paired it with a pair of little black booties. And these jeans are a little short for me, but most jeans are, because I have long legs and I'm pretty tall, so it's hard for me to find jeans that are like the right length in the first place. But I don't think these are that bad, especially with the booties. And I'm really happy I picked this style of jeans, like with the high waist waistband. I like how this look came together. And I feel like this kind of jean, like this style with the high waist and everything, are really easy to find in thrift stores. I don't know why. Like when I got them, I got these for $10 at the black market in Toronto, and they had so many of this style. So I feel like if you're looking for this style of jean, it shouldn't be that hard to find in a thrift store. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this came out, girl. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with the final result. The only thing I would suggest is if you are worried about like the edges fraying, then what you can do is one of two things. You can either take like a needle and thread or a sewing machine if you have it and just sew really close to the edge, like a little seam to stop it from fraying. Or you can also take the pants and just kind of like fold them over like that, and then also same thing, just sew a seam, so then it's like a clean edge versus like a frayed cut edge, you know what I mean? So if you want to do that, I would recommend just folding it over and then sewing a little seam, because then that will make it look more clean and professional, and versus like, oh, you just cut the crotch out of a pair of jeans, you know what I mean? It'll make it look more like this is on purpose.
I got it like this, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's just like a little tip for you. I was gonna do that, but honestly I'm too lazy and I feel like it looks fine with just like the clean cut, so I'm just gonna keep mine like this. But yeah, if you guys like this video, please leave me a comment down below. I want to do some more DIY festival wear. I was gonna do like a little DIY festival skirt, so if you guys want to see that, let me know. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!